Picture yourself glancing in the mirror and spotting those small, dark age spots on your skin, little markers of sunny days, time, and life's journey. They're like subtle reminders of your experiences, but not everyone wants them to stick around forever. Many of us crave a smoother, brighter complexion that radiates youth and vitality. The great news: you don't need to reach for pricey creams or invasive treatments like chemical peels to achieve that glow. Nature offers gentle, effective remedies that can fade age spots and nourish your skin, all from the comfort of home. Today, I'm sharing 6 powerful, science-backed home remedies that can help lighten those spots and rejuvenate your skin. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll have practical, affordable tools to transform your complexion and a surprising secret about anti-aging that you won't want to miss. Let's start with lemon juice, a citrus gem that's a skincare superstar. Packed with vitamin C and citric acid, lemon juice acts like a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and balancing melanin production, the pigment behind age spots. It's like a mild bleaching agent, but far kinder than harsh chemicals. Squeeze fresh lemon juice, skip the bottled kind, which can contain irritating additives. Use a cotton swab to apply it directly to your age spots, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Here's a key tip: only use this in the evening, as lemon juice can make your skin sun sensitive, and always apply sunscreen the next day. Use it a few times a week, and you'll soon notice your skin looking brighter and more even. Next, let's talk about aloe vera, the soothing plant we all know from sunburn relief, but it's also a hero for fading age spots. Aloe's gel is loaded with compounds that calm inflammation, hydrate the skin, and boost cell renewal. These qualities make it perfect for tackling dark spots. If you have an aloe plant, cut a leaf, scoop out the fresh gel, and apply it to your age spots. Massage it in and leave it on. It absorbs beautifully. No plant? Opt for pure organic aloe gel, but check for minimal additives. Apply daily, and over time, your skin will feel softer and those spots will start to fade, revealing a fresher complexion. Now consider apple cider vinegar, a kitchen staple with surprising skincare benefits. It's rich in alpha-hydroxy acids, which gently exfoliate dead skin cells, promoting skin renewal and a more even tone. This can gradually reduce age spots. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water to avoid irritation, then dab the solution onto your spots with a cotton pad. Let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing. A slight tingle is normal, but if it's too intense, dilute it more. Use this a few times a week, and you'll see your skin become clearer, with the added bonus of vinegar's antimicrobial properties, keeping it healthy. Our 4th remedy is castor oil, a rich, nourishing oil used for ages in skincare. Full of fatty acids and antioxidants, it penetrates deeply, boosting circulation and supporting skin repair. This helps balance pigmentation and fade age spots. Each evening, massage a few drops of pure, cold, pressed castor oil into your spots. It itself enhances blood flow, amplifying the benefits. Patience is key. Results may take weeks, but your skin will feel hydrated and those spots will gradually soften. Castor oil's versatility also makes it great for dry cuticles or hair. Next up is turmeric, the golden spice with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. Its active compound curcumin curbs excess melanin production, helping to lighten age spots. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a few drops of milk or yogurt to create a paste. The dairy's lactic acid adds extra exfoliation. Apply it to your spots, let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse gently. Be cautious, turmeric can stain, so use it sparingly and avoid light fabrics. Try this mask once or twice weekly, and your skin will start to glow with a more even tone. Finally, parsley extract is a hidden gem. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, parsley brightens and detoxifies the skin while promoting cell turnover. Boil a handful of fresh parsley in water for 10 minutes, cool, and strain. Dab the liquid onto your age spots with a cotton pad morning and evening. Store leftovers in the fridge for up to a week. With regular use, your skin will look fresher, and those spots will fade. These 6 remedies, lemon juice, aloe vera apple cider vinegar, castor oil, turmeric, and parsley, are nature's gift for radiant skin. Consistency and patience are crucial. Spots don't vanish overnight. Start with 1 or 2 remedies, use them a few times a week, and always test new ingredients. Protect your skin with daily sunscreen to prevent new spots.